ହେଲେ ଏଠି ଲୋରେନ୍ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିବ।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Loren, ଠିକ ଅଛି। Now what you are doing there in Kharagpur?
So I have participated there in Robo Combat event. Participated there in Robo Combat events. We are making specially a robot that
Robot combat, huh?
yes sir, that will fight with another robot.
You are in group or you are doing single?
No sir, we are in 5-member team.
3-member team.
Yes sir. Then we fight with the other team when we won in
Who is the sponsor of there?
So actually in Odisha especially we are not getting any much sponsor. So we are funding from ourselves.
From your sir?
Yes,
Own
sir.
source?
Yes sir. And from some college contribution also.
What is the amount of fund?
So it's like more than 1 lakh sir.
1 lakh everybody?
No, not everyone. Total 1 lakh. 1 lakh 10,000.
Total 1 lakh?
Yes sir.
Shared by all?
Shared by the
equally?
team members.
Okay. Go ahead.
No, the subject.
What is the subject of
Geography and international.
Sir, geography and political
Dekh
science and
लीजिए, मैं आपसे-
international relation.
Geography and
Political science and international relation.
for international relations?
Okay.
Okay.
Two subject, na?
Yes sir.
Two subjects also.
2 subjects. Political science and
No.
international one.
Paper one is sir, subject one is geography. Subject 2 is political science and international relation.
Paper 2.
Yes.
Political science and internal relations.
Okay, subject now the political science and internal.
What are the subjects in political science?
So in political science there are several theories and there are several ideologies, then including Indian politics. Also in international relation we have international institutions, many groupings, means regional groupings, international groupings, and also their relation, how they evolve, how we are maintaining cordial relations with them, and how India is pursuing them in the global politics.
Which subject you like most in political science? Political thought?
Which topic?
Which topic, or political theory or public administration? Which topic you like most?
So in like I like political ideologies.
Political ideology.
Yes.
That means political thought. In political thought, who is your favorite philosopher, you can say?
So Gandhiji.
Gandhi.
Yes.
You tell what was the main philosophy of Gandhi?
Non-violence.
Non-violence.
Yes.
Then another,
Another is trusteeship.
trusteeship. Then
Sit, relax.
relax, be
Be
relaxed.
relax. As it is normal sit, and you may move your head, no
So
problem.
can I fold my hand?
You have also gone through the topic Karl Marx.
Yes sir.
Please tell, what is the difference between Gandhi and Marx? Basic difference.
The most basic difference is Gandhiji is in favor of non-violence, but Marx is in favor of violence. Including means he did not-
Violence.
Yes, violence.
Violence.
Yes, sir. So Marx actually want to change the system overnight, but Gandhiji, he has some patience. He want to resist the system or want to resist any kind of mischief through his non-violence or patience method.
The democratic social philosophy or social democrat? Gandhi.
Gandhiji is social democrat.
Social democrat.
Yes.
Then Karl Marx was democrat socialism.
Yes.
Democratic socialism, first democracy comes or socialism comes? What do you mean by democratic socialism?
So democratic socialism means achieving democracy through socialist.
The fundamental difference is means follows the ends. Gandhi.
Yes.
But Karl Marx is end follows means. Quickly tell. Which in India is a sovereign, secular, socialistic republic. What do you mean by you can say republic?
So republic means the head of the state is elected by public. Means through
Very,
direct
very nice, very fine, thank you. Where the head of the state is elected. Secular, socialistic secular. Which amendment it has come?
So in 42nd amendment.
42nd amendment. Okay. Constitution came into being in which year?
So in 1950. Means constitution adopted in 1950.
15. November 26.
26.
That you have to tell.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. What is the parliament constitute? Lok Sabha?
अच्छा पार्लियामेंट लोकसभा राज्यसभा एंड प्रेसिडेंट
Okay.
ठीक है
Okay. पता है, 5 minutes.
Okay.
3 मिनट
You are an engineering graduate. What's
Yes.
your discipline?
इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग
Now you have taken geography
Yes.
and political, etc. How are you going to use your branches that you studied in your graduation in your service if you are selected?
Sir, in my engineering career, along with the electrical and electronics, also I have trained in computer science also and other disciplines like ethics, observational behavior, and etc. So this kind of ethical behavior I can use in my administration. Also, in today's era, we are facing the digitalization. So
Right, I understand now. So it is digitalization, and with the digital power, you are employed and you use it. Very good. Well, as you are answering the questions there, I just when you think of there that socialism was introduced. Was it earlier from the in the preamble of the Constitution, or did it come later?
sorry, sir, I
The
cannot.
word socialism, was it right present in the preamble as describing India? Was it present earlier or added later?
So it was a term is explicitly added in 42nd Amendment 1976, but it was implicitly present in our Constitution.
Then certain fundamental right was withdrawn. What it is? In order to add this there, a fundamental right was also withdrawn.
Fundamental right withdrawn.
Withdrawn.
What is the fundamental right that was withdrawn? To put this word there.
Okay, sir. It is right to property.
Right. Right.
Yes.
Well, have you heard about the terms like this? Say, it begins from Hegel. No? When you say means and ends, if I say, suppose democracy is a socialist country, the good of the society can be achieved through the good of the individual. I can say the opposite. Good of the individual can also be achieved good through the society. So I can go through individual to society, I can reach also vice versa. What it is known as? This approach when you have 3 phases of a Hegelian concept of
So,
in political thought you must have read there. One statement, then you contradict the statement, then you come to a compromise.
okay.
Thesis.
Like August struggle.
Thesis, antithesis, and synthesis.
Synthesis.
There. This approach there. Now, how do you think? What's your thing of democracy as you say, you described there, what they thought? Is it really possible democracy in our country? It is a big country, but you know that in democracy, the political election, which you call republic, do the people really exercise it, or there are other factors that decide it?
Yes, sir. I think we are really using the democracy, and it's possible also. To
But you have a
maintain-
right to speech, but there is already a complaint now that the moment you speak something that is government, present government says that it's anti-country, and you are arrested on certain.
There are some controversial provision like sedition, and also some provisions like Section 66A. Those are actually removed now, but in the ground level, they are not implemented properly. The local police stations are not aware about the 66A removal. So these are some kinds of things
What local police stations are? Not our?
about the Section 66A removal. So actually, in Shreya Singhal case, Supreme Court removed the section.
Yesterday in the newspaper you have studied that you have read. You must have confirmed that Odisha is listed there as a second state in certain incident which is not good for our maybe I want to know the incident. In which aspect Odisha has come second, which is not good for our state.
Means you actually NCRB report. You have
Atrocity against the women.
yes.
Molested, etc.
Yes, I got
There is increasing number of cases there.
Yes, sir.
What is the reason of that social unrest? Do you think giving doors, social resistance, etc., are responsible for youth? That since we have got the this and that rice, then their son, then this cycle, then this and that, all Jojana, and they have nothing to do. Devil's mind, idle mind with the devil's workshop. Is it the consequence of that? Increasing in the molestation against the women, etc.
So actually, there are 2 factors mainly.
True, fact is always true. Don't use 2 terms together.
Okay, sir.
Fact is.
Okay.
It is true.
Fact is, the cases of reporting is getting increasing right now because previously there is no reporting of cases. So
Okay. ठीक. Thank you, sir.
Biodata कहीं बाबा Larian Rautrae. So you have kept 2 optional is fantastic optional like political science and also geography. So very simple question I am asking. Which have a very highest annual range of temperature, whether in
Higher.
Ladakh area or in Kanyakumari?
Actually, I'm not audible.
Which has a, there are two places I am telling. One is Ladakh,
Ladakh.
another one is your Kanyakumari. Highest range of temperature, where we will get the highest range of temperature?
So in Kanyakumari, we will find the highest range of temperature
Why?
because it's
Range of temperature means, are you understanding?
Yes,
What
sir.
is that?
that is the highest difference between the highest and lowest.
I am not asking which one is getting highest temperature.
No,
The
highest.
range of temperature variation.
Yes, sir. The Kanyakumari will get the range of temperature is more compared to Ladakh.
Why?
So because it is present in the tropical region. Kanyakumari present in the tropical region. So during summer season, it will face the maximum temperature more than 40 degrees centigrade. But in winter season, it will feel the temperature like 20 degrees Celsius. So
How
the
much?
20.
20 degree.
Yes, the minimum temperature.
Perhaps you are forgetting where is Kanyakumari.
So it's in the
You are forgetting
Southernmost part.
southernmost part of India, which is near to the equator.
yes.
The average temperature 30 degrees centigrade. What about the range of temperature you are telling? This once I have asked a question to the students, the Chennai students never wear blanket during winter, only to confuse. Are the average temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, blanket would be one.
ସେ ବି ତ ଏମିତି ହି ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ ଇନ୍ ବେଙ୍ଗାଲୋର
Range of temperature देखिए दिखा.
ଯାଉଛି ବେଙ୍ଗାଲୋରରେ
Bangalore also.
I do not listening my words. Again, I am telling them कहूँ बारंबार the range of temperature. I am not telling you which one is the highest, which place is getting highest temperature. I am speaking about the range of temperature.
First, try to listen the word they use the expert जो panel रहे कौन से क्वेश्चन की वाला डाला.
अच्छा, tell me which one is the southernmost tip of India?
Southernmost.
Southernmost tip of India.
Tip.
So there is
अच्छा, I am not listening my words correctly. ମୋ କଥା ଟିକେ ଶୁଣୁନ କି ଭଲ କି so sir ବି ଯେତେବେଳେ ପଚାରୁଥିଲେ ମାର୍କିଂ you are going advance and back like this ଟିକେ ଅଡିବଲ ହଉଛି କି ଅସୁବିଧା ହଉଛି
ଟିକେ ଶୁଭୁ ନଥିଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ।
ଓକେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଠିକ
हाँ
ଅଛି
ठीक है ठीक है
ଠିକ
କିଛି
ଅଛି
ଅସୁବିଧା
नो प्रॉब्लम ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଆସ୍ତେ ଆସ୍ତେ କହୁଛି which place in India that there is the southernmost tip of India, southernmost part, extreme southernmost part of India, which place?
Sir, the extreme southernmost part of India is Indira Point in the Indian Ocean region.
No,
But in
just,
the
I want to know all this. I don't want to explain all this.
okay, sir. In the peninsular India,
ठीक है
How I ask
something.
these questions to you. Which one is the northernmost tip of India?
sir, Karakoram Passage.
Which one is the westernmost tip of India?
Westernmost part is Okha.
Which one is the easternmost tip of India?
So I forgot that one. I am not.
The north to south is more, or the east to west is more?
So north to south is more.
How much?
So it is from 8 degree to 32 degree.
What is the length?
3,200 plus.
Okay, very fine. 3,214 kilometers. Okay, very fine. So, as you are remaining in Bhubaneswar since how long?
So from born itself.
from birth.
At Bhubaneswar.
Yes.
Very fine. So, from your age around 25, 27, 28, what is the major things you are finding in Bhubaneswar which is affect the atmosphere?
So being in proximity to the coastal districts, where
I am speaking about the
See,
Bhubaneswar.
exactly. Listen to the question. Listen to the question first.
Okay.
Please.
That is one problem.
I am
And I
going
must listen. First of all, listen the questions, give the answer. ଯାହା ପଚରା ଯାଉଛି ଯେତିକି ଆମେ ଚାହୁଁଛୁ ତମେ କୁହ ଯଦି ବେଶୀ ପଚାର ଜାଣିବାର ଇଚ୍ଛା ଆମର ଅଛି ଆମେ ପଚାରିବୁ
Okay.
ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରର ମେଜର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କ'ଣ
Sir, ଏବେ rainfall on ବହୁତ irradiant sorry torrential rainfall ହେଉଛି ବହୁତ କମ
A
time.
rainfall is rainfall.
Yes.
But still think of the question.
Achha.
What is the major problem?
ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହେଉଛି ରେନଫଲ୍
ନା,
rainfall
ଆପଣ
always we
atmosphere-
want because rainfall is the blessing of God, I think so.
No, sir, ଆପଣ atmosphere କହିଲେ ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ
ହଁ ନାଇଁ
rainfall-
ନାଇଁ ମତେ କୁହ what is the major problem of Bhubaneswar କ'ଣ what you are finding?
The result of rainfall,
Yes,
what is that?
flash flood,
How do you go?
so blockage of drains,
Water logging.
waterlogging.
Think of those, which are real problems we are facing.
Tell me, what is the soil of Bhubaneswar?
What is soil?
Soil.
What is the kind of soil of Bhubaneswar?
So I'm not aware.
Are you
exactly.
you are coming from a village or native place? Where is it?
So my native place is Jajpur.
Just
होगा
Jajpur sir Dogoda.
अच्छा
Dogoda ଚିତ୍ତାଳ ଛକ ପାଖରେ।
ସେ ଯାହା ହଉ ତମ ଗାଁକୁ ଯାଇଛ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ବର୍ଷା ଦିନେ କାଦୁଅ ହୁଏ
ବେଶୀ ହୁଏନି sir।
ହୁଏ ନାହିଁ
ନା।
କୋଷ୍ଟାଲ ଏରିଆର ଯେକୌଣସି ଦେଖିବ ଏ ଯୋଉ ଜଗତସିଂହପୁରରେ କାଦୁଅ ହୁଏ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ବେଶୀ ହବ।
ଆଉ ଏଠି ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର କାଦୁଅ ଅଛି କାହିଁକି ନୁହେଁ
ସଏଲ ଟେକ୍ସଚର ବଡ
ଆଁ?
ସଏଲ ଟେକ୍ସଚର ଅଲଗା।
ହଁ କ'ଣ ସେଟା? What is the type of?
what is the texture
So it is sandy, more sandy compared.
what is the meaning of texture ତମେ ଯୋଉ ୱାର୍ଡଟା କହିଲ ମୁଁ ସେ ଭିତରେ ପଶିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି what is the meaning of texture
Texture means composition,
composition
size of
the composition
Hmm.
particle size so that's why I'm asking you this is a laterite soil
That is soil.
so the texture is higher so there is no lodging of waters itself ତମେ ଯଦି ବନ୍ଦ କରି ରଖିବ that will be a problem ଏଠି ଅସୁବିଧା ହଉଛି କ'ଣ ଡ୍ରେନେଜ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ନାହିଁ ଜବରଦସ୍ତି ୱାଟର ଲଜ୍
Water logging ହେଇଯାଉଛି।
କିନ୍ତୁ ଏ ସଏଲର ହଉଛି ମାଟିରେ ପାଣି ଚାଲିନି ସୋ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ଼ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହେଇଥିଲା ଏବେ ଚନ୍ଦକାରେ ନିଆଁ ଲାଗିଥିଲା ଲିଭେଇବା ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ସମୟ ଲାଗିଲା ଇଭେନ୍ କି ଶିମିଳିପାଳରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେଇ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହେଇଥିଲା ହାଭ୍ ୟୁ ହାର୍ଡ ଦିସ୍ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ଅର୍ ନଟ୍
yes.
ସୋ ସେଥିପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ମେଜର୍ସ ନେଲେ ହେଇପାରିବ ଏ ଅରଣ୍ୟ ପୋଡ଼ିରୁ ଆମେ ରକ୍ଷା ପାଇପାରିବା
So mainly ଆମେ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆୱାର କରିବା କାରଣ କିଛିଟା ଆର୍ଟିଫିସିଆଲ କଜ୍ ବି ଲାଗିଥାଏ ନିଆଁ
ସେଇ
ସେଠି ଯୋଉମାନେ
ଆର୍ଟିଫିସିଆଲ କଜ୍ କ'ଣ କି
ଲୋକମାନେ ଟୁରିଜିମ ପର୍ପଜରେ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କ କିଛିଟା ମାନେ ଦିଆସିଲି କିଛିଟା ବିଡି ସିଗାରେଟ ସେସବୁ ପକେଇ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଲାଗେ
ଆଉ
ଆଉ ଯେମିତି କି ମାନେ ଇନଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ମେଜର ନେବା ଦରକାର ଯେମିତି ଫରେଷ୍ଟର ମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ହଁ।
ଆମର ଜଙ୍ଗଲର ନିଆଁ ଲିଭେଇବାର କିଛିଟା ପ୍ରୋସେସ ଅଛି ମାନେ ସପୋଜ କିଛିଟା ପାର୍ଟ ଲାଗି ଯାଇଛି ନିଆଁ ତ ତାକୁ ତ ଆମେ ଆଉ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଲିଭେଇ ପାରିବାନି ତା ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ତା ପାଖରେ ଯୋଉ ଅଛି ଗଛ ତାକୁ ବି କାଟିଦେବା ଯେମିତି ନିଆଁଟା ସ୍ପ୍ରେଡ ହବନି
ସେଥିପାଇଁ କ'ଣ କରିବା ଉଚିତ ଗଛ ଲଗେଇବା କାହିଁ କାଟିବା କାହିଁ
ନା ସେ ନିଆଁଟାକୁ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ କରିବା
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ନିଆଁ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମେଜର୍ସ ଅଛି
ହଁ ଅଛି
ପ୍ରିଭେନ୍ସନ୍ ଇଜ ବେଟର ଦେନ୍ କ୍ୟୁର
ବଟ୍ ଆମ ପାଖରେ ସେ
ସେ
ଇକୋନୋମି
କ'ଣ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଇଜ ଦ ମେଜର୍ସ ନେବା ଉଚିତ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ ହେଲା ମାନେ ସେଠି ଓପନ ସ୍ପେସ୍ ରଖିବା ଦରକାର ଗୋଟେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲକୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲକୁ ଓପନ ସ୍ପେସ୍ ରଖିଲେ
So they can't spread.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ହଁ ସେ ଯଦି ବି ଆମର ଓପନ ସ୍ପେସ୍ ନାହିଁ ତ
Okay.
କିଛିଟା
ନାଇଁ ଓକେ ଅଲ୍ ଦ ବେଷ୍ଟ
I think ତାର ମୋର answer ମୋର ଠିକ ଅଛି everything, but I think my suggestion is since you have taken two subjects which do not come under your regular study, as I understand, please prepare better on the subjects because you have taken geography and political and international studies. So there are especially political and international studies people they can ask a lot of questions.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
So that's why
questions.
I asked you the basic question of this Hegelian concept of thesis and which also marks followed, how is it applied, the democratic idea. So there were a lot of questions will come. So since they are not your actual subjects in graduation, no, you should be thorough in both geography
ରିଲେସନ
and geography ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରିଲେ
ବହୁତ ଅଛି
you are not able to give the fundamental answer.
ସମୟ ପଚରା
So concept ଯୋଉଗୁଡ଼ା ଯୋଉ ଆସିବ ସେଟାକୁ ଟିକେ ଭଲ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କର ଏଇ ଦୁଇ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ otherwise your other things the way of answering the deliver and etc. And another thing, never try to extra answer.
ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା କୋନା
Answer question ଦେଖ ଭଲ
ତମେ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଭୋକାଲ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ଭୋକାଲ ବଟ୍ ୟୁ ସୁଡ୍ ବି
ମାନେ
ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ୍
ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଇସାରିଲା ପରେ ଅଧିକା କହିକି
ଓଲଟା ଇଏ କରିବେ
big trouble for you.
ତମେ ବେଶୀ ଭାବୁଥିବ ନଲେଜ ସେଟା ଧରି ବସେ
ରେଞ୍ଜ ପଚାରୁ ତମେ ତାକୁ ଭୁଲ
ଅଧିକା କହୁଛ।
ଇଣ୍ଟରପ୍ରେଟ କଲ
So first thing as he said,
You know
listen
that.
to the question, clearly, know, understand what is the exact they want to know, exactly answer that. ତାପରେ ତମେ ଆହୁରି କହୁଛ ସାର୍ ବନ୍ଦ କଲେ because that is trouble. କଣ
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
କହିବ ସେଥିରୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ବାହାରି ଆସିବ.
ବେଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଲକ୍
Okay,
Thank you.
wish you the all best, everything good. Subject କହିବ
କୋଉଠି ରହୁଛ
answer.
ବାଙ୍ଗାଲୋରରେ
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ହାଇଦ୍ରାବାଦ
ହାଇଦ୍ରାବାଦ ରହୁଛ
ନା
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
ଥିଲି ଏବେ
ଏବେ
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
ପଚାରେ
ଏଇଠି ପଳେଇ ଯାଇଛ ଏବେ କିଛି କରୁନା
ନା କିଛି କରୁନି
ଆଚ୍ଛା
However, you have a good potential. We have the best wishes for you,
Thank you, sir.
but take care in your subject.
ठीक है
And
नरेंद्र राउत
Please respond as per the question. Don't
बी
Yeah.
स्पेसिफिक
Specific.
ସବୁବେଳେ
I think you will crack it.
ଠିକ ଅଛି ବେଶୀ କହିବନି ୱାର୍ଡ
ଏବେ gentle appearance, I mean the personality pattern, everything. that
ସେଗୁଡ଼ା
is
ସବୁ
all right.
କିଛି ଆମେ ଜେନେରାଲ ନଲେଜ ତ ପଚାରୁନୁ ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ
ସମୟ ନାହିଁ ନା
ଓକେ
Sorry.
ଓକେ
And current affairs,
yes
you read and book and analysis.
ସବୁ ମଝିପେଟ ଗ୍ଲୋବାଲ ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ଲୋବାଲ ରହୁଛି
Taliban
ଟାଇମ୍ସ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ
Yes, sir.
ଡେଲି ତାକୁ ପଢ
Taliban
ଥରୋଲି
crisis.
ପଢ ୱାର୍ଡ ବାଇ ୱାର୍ଡ
No, everything is like Taliban
ঠিক আছে
crisis.
ତାଲିବାନ ଅଛି କାଲି
Education,
ଆଇଛି।
education new education policy. Then
ସବୁ
banking,
ଏଡିଟୋରିଆଲ ଏକା ପଢ
Certainly,
ନା ପଢ
Thank you.
ଆନାଲିସିସ୍ ଟା
COVID, the
COVID
pandemic
ଉପରେ
and
ଆଇଛି,
impact,
ଆଇଛି।
and impact
ହଁ
there. All this. And
କେମିତି ଜୁଡିସିଆରୀ କି କୋଭିଡ ର କେସ୍ ଗୁଡା ବଢୁଛି ଆଇଛି ଆଜି ପଢ ତ
On
ଆଜି
this you-
କାଲି ଆଇଛି
okay.
Okay.
I think we should-
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କ'ଣ କରିବ କୋର୍ଟ କେସ୍ ଗୁଡା ହଟେଇବା ପାଇଁ ସେଟା ପଚାରିବ
Okay, thank you very much.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Oh, see you better.
କ'ଣ କରିବ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ଏ କରିବ ସେଟା କମେଇବା ପାଇଁ ରିଡ୍ୟୁସ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ହେଲା ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ
Yes, thank you.
Wish you all the best.